last page, in para 71, the Honorable Supreme Court held that to conclude, we are of firm view that in the present case, there was no material to show cause unsatisfactory performance of the appellant in terms of requirement under Rule 45 of and 46 of the RJS Rules 2010. Moreover, the
Mr. High Court, you tell us
Yes, Your Honor.
what are the rules to record a finding whether the performance of the petitioner is satisfactory or not?
Not sure.
Whether any statutory rules have been framed,
Not sure.
which says how the performance
system is-
appraisal has to be made, what is the pendency of the, what are the parameters laid down by the rules
Not
made in this, you have to tell us on the next date of hearing.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
My lord, in this case, moreover, the appellant's discharge was not simpliciter as claimed by the respondent. The non-communication of the ACRs to the appellant has been proved to be arbitrary, and since the respondent choose to hold an inquiry into appellant's alleged misconduct, the termination of his service is by way of punishment because it puts a stigma on his competence and thus affects his future career. In such a case, the appellant would be entitled to the protection of Article 311 subclause 2 of the Constitution. Moreover, the adverse comments on the ACR for the year 2015 would not have been the basis on which the appellant was discharged from service. The appellant was never granted an opportunity to improve, and there was no intimation to him about his performance being unsatisfactory. This case is also relevant to my case because my ACR of 2015 to 16, in which adverse remarks are wrote in about me, that was communicated to me after my termination, 10th April 2017, that was communicated to me.
When communicated to you?
10th April 2017, and that is the ACR of 2015-16. And my lord, regarding rule, there is a rule also, rule of the High Court. The Chhattisgarh Judicial Officer Confidential Rule Regulation 2015.
When this rule have been made effective?
2015.
No, these rules are 2015, but when it has been made effective? The date must be given. 27/1/2015. Yes.
In that rule, your lordship, regulation number 7.
Yes.
Regulation number 7 speaks about
Communication.
yes, my lord. Preparation of ACR and its time limit.
Yes.
And it's subclause 4, the ACR submitted by the reporting authority shall be made available to the concerned reviewing authority by 15th May. My review authority is the portfolio judge.
Portfolio judge, yes.
Sir, note, its note says every endeavor shall be made by the authorities in early finalization of confidential report so as to enable the authority to communicate the final concluded confidential report.
Who are your reporting authority?
My reporting authority was the district judge.
District judge. And
Reviewing authority is portfolio judge.
and
Honorable portfolio.
what is the role of the Honorable Chief Justice?
Sorry, my lord.
Whether the Honorable Chief Justice is accepting authority?
Yeah. Sorry. Yes, sir.
Whether it has been defined in the rules?
I think Schedule 1 is not attached with this rule.
Yes.
Schedule 1 is there.
Yes,
Schedule 1.
Yes.
Schedule 1 seventh, serial number 7.
Yes.
Judicial officers subordinate to district judges of concerned district. District judge is reporting authority. Portfolio judge of the concerned district is reviewing authority, and accepting authority is Chief Justice.
Yes. Chief Justice, that's the field.
Chief Justice.
What was the what was the comment of the this review authority? Whether he has agreed with the opinion given by the reporting authority?
Yes, sir.
But the ACRs is not a ground for you to not to continue in the service. They have not taken care. They have not taken into consideration the ACRs while not continuing or while discontinuing your probationary period.
But my lord,
So see, this point will help you out. Please tell us. Your services were discontinued, terminated, non-probationary period is not extended. When the date of order was passed? When the order was termination was passed?
9th February 2017.
2017. ACR was communicated to you on 1/4/2017.
10th April
10.
2017.
Whether while not continuing with you in service, they have taken into consideration the ACRs of you or not. Tell us.
Yes, sir. Because it's
Where is the, please read out the order of termination. Please read out the order.
order of termination.
Yes, please.
Yes.
Read out.
Kindly see page number 49 of paper book.
Yes, पढ़िए.
The government of Chhattisgarh, accepting the recommendation of the Honorable High Court of Chhattisgarh, made in accordance with the sub-rule 4 of Rule 11 of the Chhattisgarh Lower Judicial Services Recruitment and Condition of Service Rules 2006 for termination of services of Kumari Akanksha Bhardwaj, member of Lower Judicial Service, presently posted as Civil Judge Class 2 Kankher, hereby terminates the service of above mentioned Kumari Akanksha Bhardwaj with immediate effect.
And what was the recommendation of the full court?
There is no recommendation by the full court, my lord.
No, it will be.
There is only a standing committee who recommended my termination.
What was the recommendation?
Kindly see page number 409,
Yes.
resolution second says the standing committee considered the overall performance and entire service record of Kumari Akanksha Bhardwaj on perusal of the record. It is found that she is not fit for confirmation in service. Therefore, it is resolved to recommend termination of her service under sub-rule 4 of Rule 11 of the Chhattisgarh Lower Judicial Service Recruitment and Condition of Service Rule 2006. This recommendation was made by standing committee, my lord. And it also says entire service record of Kumari Akanksha Bhardwaj.
So whether entire service record means your ACR has to be taken? See, ACR and this entire service record are altogether different things. Means whether this order doesn't speak about that your ACRs have been taken into consideration. So I don't think that will help you out at the initial at the moment. Once whether the performance assessed by the standing committee is justified for termination or not, that has to be submitted by the High Court. You are saying that you have taken two stands. One is that as per the judgment passed by the division bench of this court, the standing committee is not empowered to terminate. This is your one limb of argument on the last date of hearing.
Yes, my lord.
The second is that standing committee has considered the record and no opportunity of hearing has been given to you. These two limb of argument is there.
Yes, my lord.
This is only 2 points you want to emphasize.
But kindly see the ACR communicated to me.
In the year 2017 after termination, after discontinuation of your probation period or
Yes,
non-extension of your probation period. The appropriate word will be non-extension of promotion period or dismissal, termination, whatever the name is. But these 2 points mainly you are emphasizing that the standing committee has no power in view of the rule 4(3) of the rules of High Court rules.
Yes, my
The standing committee cannot issue the order for termination.
Yes, my lord.
One is, and the entire service record has been considered, but no opportunity of hearing has been given to you.
My lord, one more thing is that
Yes.
not entire service record was taken.
You want to say such. Likhna, the petitioner in person would submit point number 1 that the standing committee is not empowered to recommend it for termination in view of the rule 4(c) of the High Court of the rules, High Court rules 2007. As such, termination is bad in law. Number 2, she would further submit that the entire service record has not been taken into consideration.
Yes, my lord.
And therefore recording of finding that performance is unsatisfactory is contrary to the record.
Yes, my lord.
As such, the recommendation is bad in law.
Yes, my lord.
Third point is since they have taken into the consideration certain allegations levied against the petitioner, therefore at least she must be given an opportunity of hearing
Yes, my
to
lord.
defend herself.
Yes, my lord.
This is your 3 points, huh?
Yes, my lord.
All right. Yes, state.
Lordship, at the outset, I have submitted that it is to be argued by senior advocate Mr. Bharat.
Where is
But
he?
Your Lordship, today he is unavailable, and a fixed date was granted earlier by your Lordship of
Yes,
first of-
we'll give a fixed
Any
part
date.
heard.
Yeah.
Argument heard. Madam, this is your argument?
Yes, your Lordship.
Madam, why don't you prepare synopsis of your case?
Yes, lord. I have already prepared.
Give it to us. The petitioner has already submitted his synopsis also. A copy भी आप उनको भी दे दीजिए. Mr. Vankhade would submit that his senior, Mr. Praful Bharat, is not available.
Harshvardhan.
Mr. Harshvardhan would submit that his senior is not available today. Therefore, he prefers short adjournment. Argument heard in part. Madam Bharadwaj has already argued the matter. Please this case on for further hearing on 27 January. 27 January we'll hear finally.